for tuning in, and welcome back to another Saturday morning stretch. Before we start, just a quick reminder that if you like what you see and are interested in learning how to effectively stretch your muscles, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the stretching videos. Also, if you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comment section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Alright, time to demonstrate the stretch.
The stretch we will be demonstrating for you today will be the myofascial stretch for the superior fibers of the adductor brevis. Start by getting on the floor on your knees and elbows. Shift your weight forward so that your hips are just slightly ahead of your knees. Maximally abduct your thighs by spreading your knees as far apart as possible. Maximally internally rotate your femurs by placing your ankles as far outside of your knees as possible. Evert your feet by pointing the soles of your feet away from your body. Get into retroversion of the pelvis by tucking your pelvis underneath you. Finally, achieve as much axial extension as possible by tucking in your chin and pushing the crown of your head away from your body. Once you are in this final position, hold it for 30 seconds to 1 minute without losing any of the above-mentioned components. If the stretch begins to feel easy, you've most likely lost one or more of the components of the stretch. When you first perform the stretch, do it in front of a mirror or film yourself performing the stretch so you can watch yourself back and make any corrections if needed. Perform 3 sets of the stretch.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the stretching videos. And if you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comment section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Keep fit, have fun, and we'll see you again next week.